You might have heard us talk about our CVA value promises: security, peace of mind, and hassle-free. So now you might be wondering, what does all that really mean for my operation? Well, here at Caterpillar, it means you get tailored support. We do our best to maximize your machine's life and keep your operation on track through the right parts and support right when you need them. So what's a CVA really all about? A CVA is an extra layer of security for your operation. It's a promise that you'll get peace of mind with tools and support whenever you need them. And even more, it's a promise to keep your ownership hassle-free and your machine ready to work. That's why it's offered to everyone. Whether you're buying a new machine, a used one, or you want a CVA for a machine you already own, it's all about you. And that's why we've created CVA Options to fit your work style. If you're the do-it-yourself type, we've got a convenient CVA where we'll ship part kits to you and you can complete maintenance yourself. Prefer your dealer to handle maintenance and repairs? Then the Performance CVA is for you. With this plan, you get dealer labor and extra security with cost coverage on components like injectors, turbos, and after-treatment systems. And for those that want the highest level of protection, there's a Confidence CVA, where you'll get asset condition monitoring and up to premier level EPP coverage. These CVAs come with a whole lot of benefits. For one, there's our services commitment, which is exactly what it sounds like. Our commitment to deliver. You can get maintenance parts as soon as the next business day if you need it, and repair parts and technician response in as soon as 2 business days. And if we don't have your parts on time, we'll pay. When you get a CVA with dealer labor, you're also on track for CAT Certified Maintained program, which designates your machine as expertly maintained. This proves your machine is ready to perform and helps you maximize resale value when you're ready to upgrade. There's a lot that goes into a CVA from our end, but all you need to do is talk to your dealer. It's that simple. That's a CVA.